What we're going to do today is make a coin ring out of a bicentennial quarter. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use our hole punch. What I'm going to do is make sure that that's centered as closely as possible. And then I'm going to use my arbor press. There we go. Take this out. Gently tap the coin out. So now we've got the hole punch. At this point, what we want to do is we want to clean out that inner edge. We just clean out that inner edge. Okay. Now that you got that done, we've got that edge off of there. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to anneal it. We can heat this thing up as hot as we want. And now we're going to quench it in water and a little liver of sulfur. So now we've got it quenched. Next thing you want to do is you want to start to fold this coin up. Use these right here and this ring sizer here. Once that's done, what you want to do is you want to sand this edge here. No micro cracks or anything like that. Now we're going to start to stretch the coin. So I'm going to anneal it one more time. This is a ring stretcher. You start to stretch the ring. Good. You want to clean out the little inside edge here. Now at this point, what we want to do is to start taking off that patina that we've put on. So we're going to start on the inside. I'd like to use a Dremel. I generally use a combination of that and of steel wool to get that inside cleaned up. Then we use a very fine sanding block. I'm going to put a little bullet on the inside and the outside. And I'm going to use a Dremel with a polishing buffer on it. We want to make sure we get the inside and the outside. The last thing we do is put on what's called a Renaissance wax. This helps protect the patina that we put on there and protects the coin in general. And there we have it. 1776, 1976 bicentennial coin ring. Nice and shiny, you can see on the inside and the outside. There's our ring. And thanks for watching.